Python versus JavaScript, which to choose? When we are starting our career as a web developer, we will definitely get this doubt. Now, I can clarify your doubt and give you a correct solution. If you are starting your career as a web developer, then you must have to learn the both languages because they are helpful in your career. But specifically, if we talk about Python versus JavaScript, if you want to master in web development, then you can learn JavaScript because JavaScript is known as web development language. The combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript is superb. But if you want to create complex websites like Facebook, Twitter, or if you want to go into data analysis, then you must have to learn Python. We can also use JavaScript as backend for our websites, but when we use Python, it will be more stronger. So the power of Python is more than JavaScript, and also the syntax and the statements in Python makes it very easy to code and to learn. I prefer you to learn both languages. If you are creating a simple website, then you can use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end. But if you are creating a complex project which needs data analysis, machine learning and so much, and which needs a strong back-end, learn Python. And you can do one thing for free, hitting the follow button to get more web development and artificial intelligence content. And tell me, what language are you going to start learning now? JavaScript or Python? Comment in this comment box. Save and share the reel for your friends and family.